Today I will show you how I can exfiltrate some secret data from the machine which is well isolated. This particular machine has no network connectivity, the whole interface is being disconnected. The idea how to exfiltrate the data is relatively simple. If I have my machine, there is some data over here. I will convert the data into the wave file for the sound, and then I will play this sound through the speaker. And it will be recorded on the other end by some mic, and the wave file will be created from the recorded sound, and it will be converted back to the secret data. Effectively, the secret data is being exfiltrated to some other machine. So, to create a wave file first, I have a PowerShell script. If your machine is totally disconnected, you have to write it down from scratch. I'm defining how long is 1 bit, what are frequency from 0 and 1 bit. I'm reading a file, then creating a wave file, filling it up with bits, bit by bit, for every single bit of my secret data. And that's basically it for creating a file itself. So I will run the script. My resulting data is created over here. It is ready to be played. For some tricky reason, I will show you later on why, I will play it twice. At the same time, obviously, I have to record it. I will use Audacity software. Open source software, it will be noisy. So I will start recording and I will play my file. As I said, I have played twice, because if you observe the way how it is played, the first one does not start very sharply, which I like, but the second one is a small trick. For me, it is good enough to have my data in slightly better quality. So it is a recorded file. Everything before this point is useless for me, so Shift Home Del, and now I can also delete something that is over here. So everything after this point, let's delete it. So I have a track containing frequencies being recorded, containing the information about my bits. Now I will export it into the wave file. I'm using uncompressed wave file, 44100 kilobyte, and single audio track, mono audio. I will save it. Yes, I want to replace it. And now I have my output recorded wave being created. Right now I have to decode it back to the data. So I'm providing the same information. I'm using here the Gerzel function. The Gerzel function is a function, is an algorithm answering me for the question if a frequency k appears within my data set $ARR in my case. So what I'm doing actually, I'm reading the wave file into the set of bits, into an array. Then I'm cutting the header, and then I'm going through the file, analyzing 1000 of samples from each bit determined by the time within the wave file. And if I have 1 bit or 0 bit, I'm assembling them into a byte. If I have a complete byte, I'm displaying it, and that's basically, I can also save it to a file. If I run it on my wave file being recorded, F5, I can see the set of bytes being decoded, and obviously it is exactly the same set of bytes I had within my the data file I have exfiltrated. If you want to play on your own, feel free. I'm publishing it on my PSBits repository under NoDLP folder, so feel free to modify those PowerShell scripts, play it on your own, etc., etc. That's basically it.